Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill and this is your 2019 June card kit. The card kit comes out every other month, is jam-packed full of products with everything you're going to need to make cards. Along with your kit, you'll also receive a recipe card designed by the design team of cards they've created with cutting and assembly instructions and full color photos of the finished cards. So you'll be ready to create with lots of inspiration right from the start. Your card kit comes with 6 blank cards and envelopes. They're pre-scored, ready to go, as well as 2 sheets of white cardstock, a sheet of pink, and a sheet of yellow. You can use those for the bases of your card or to decorate and to mat the fronts of your cards. This month it's all about lawn fawn and spring. So you're going to receive half a pack of the 6x6 Lawn Fawn Spring Fling paper pack. This is one-sided paper. We have the gorgeous floral. This is the plus sign in the different colors. A gorgeous floral print in the blue and the yellow. That same cross design in blue. Florals in the pink with a touch of yellow. And the cross paper in pink. Then we have the floral paper in yellow and the cross sign paper in yellow. And then the floral paper in green with the touch of yellow and the green coordinating paper with the plus sign. Then in the gray with a touch of yellow, the cross sign in gray. And then it's going to repeat. So you see you have lots of different color options, mix and match, put them all together, do more of a monochromatic, just gorgeous collection, beautiful colors, screams of spring. For the embellishments, you're going to get 3 Lawn Fawn die cut flowers. So you're going to get 1 in each of the colors. It's going to include the stems and 6 leaves, as well as 6 banners that have been die cut for you. You're going to get 3 yards of the natural twine. And then some of the funnest things that you're going to receive are this clear stamp by Lawn Fawn. It's Llama Tell You How Much I Like You with the cute little llama, the speech bubble, and a heart. You're also going to get a bonus matching Lawn Fawn die. So it has the die to cut out the llama as well as the speech bubble, so you don't even have to fussy cut those images. And then you're going to receive some rhinestones from Kaiser Craft. These colors may vary in your collections, but this is what I have. So there's 100 rhinestones on there, more than enough to get your cards decorated. So that is a look at this month's card kit. As you can see, it's jam-packed full of product. You're going to be able to create 6 cards plus lots more. Be sure to check out the Facebook group and the blog for more inspiration on using your kit, as well as all the other kits available at the Scrap Room store. If you're not already subscribed to the YouTube channel, be sure to click that subscribe button. And thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.